Hello, welcome to my GIMP video tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use the GIMP scale tool. First go to Image and click Scale Image. In here, we can change the size of the image. Let's say I want to change the width of the image to 1920. We can also unlock this so that we have freedom to adjust the width and height individually. The purpose of this lock is to stay the image intact when we adjust either of these two. When I change the width size of the image, the height will also change its values so that the image will stay intact if we lock it. Click Scale. As you can see, the size of the image is changed. And that's pretty much of it. It's very easy to do. Just watch this video again if you forgot how to do this. And thank you for watching this GIMP video tutorial, and have a good day.